Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And you guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that if you like this item. Add it to your cart now. And check out. Not sure how to open. Probably in the middle. And click on the link and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And here we go. Oh man. So we are in prime time now. We have holiday season. Halloween is coming. What the heck? Man. It says this is Innoview 23-inch. Alright. Just something different. Watch some movies on it, play some games. This would be good for your office or a small apartment, your garage, your workout area. Oh boy. Oh man, backwards. Shoot. Alright. So inside. Here we go. Do HDMI. Power adapter. Put this on the ground. There we go. Let me put this up here. There we go. Innoview. We got a TV mount. Definitely was not expecting this today. Oh yeah. Good little bubble wrap. And we got this thing right here. Put that to the side. Ooh, okay. Alright, alright. Yeah, this is a nice size. Oh wow. Really nice looking. Innoview. We got the bottom here. You go to your PC, HDMI. You could probably get a splitter and have like a couple HDMIs. Let's look at the back. It's gonna take me a second to install it. But this is definitely super slim. Looking good. So Innoview is the one to get. Put you guys right there, right in front of the globe. For a second, I gotta get the manual just because I don't know how to put the stand. It's a different shape than I'm used to. Here we go. We back. Alright. There we go. Got the manual. Oh, there's a kind of like an Allen wrench, but it's like a key wrench. Gotta hook up your Chromebook to it, stuff like that. Fire sticks, you name it. MacBooks, maybe. See, it comes with it. Unscrew and that. So, looks like this goes on the bottom. And another one. There we go. Hook it up like this. Then you have to mount it on the back with the screw. Kind of loosey, but here we go. A little bit better. And then once it goes on the ground, that's what it's gonna look like. So you gotta get that ready. Flip this around. It's really easy. I'm gonna stick it right there. And we're gonna screw it in, I think. Okay, let me do this first. One shot deal. Okay, there's tracks. You can see it sliding in. Ooh, heard that pop? That's a good sound. That means it's locked and loaded. Now we gotta screw this somehow in. Here we go. Like so. I don't even need to open it. Probably, where's the screw go? Oh. Alright. Might want to get a couple of these in case you have your dual monitor thingies, whatever they're called. Why is it kind of crooked? Okay, there we go. You could tilt it. Oh shoot, I gotta wipe that down. Look at that. That's nice. Let me clean that for a sec.